For new investors, diversification is one of the first terms they hear of, but also one of the least understood. It's not just about owning more products, it's about knowing what role each asset plays and how they work together across different market situations. In this episode of Nivesh Pe Charcha, the Diversification Playbook, we are talking about demystifying diversification, equity, debt, and beyond. Joining us is CA Manish Dedia, founder and MD of MNK Securities Private Limited, with over 3 decades of experience in wealth management, taxation, and goal-based investment strategies. Known for his ethical education-focused approach, Mr. Dedia has helped individuals, families, and professionals as well navigate asset allocation with clarity and confidence. In this conversation, he explains why more products don't always mean more diversification, how investors can avoid portfolio misalignment, and how multi-asset funds can help simplify decisions, especially for those who want long-term structure without complexity.
मनीष जी, थैंक यू सो मच आज हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए ग्रो एएमसी पर।
थैंक यू, प्लेजर, माय प्लेजर।
तो सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहेंगे कि डाइवर्सिफिकेशन एक्चुअली क्या होता है, व्हाट डज इट मीन, स्पेशली जो अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी शुरू कर रहे हैं उनके लिए डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के क्या मायने हैं?
सिंपल चीज ये है कि डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है न्यू इन्वेस्टर के पहले के आई विल जस्ट गो लिटिल अहेड एंड आई विल से डाइवर्सिफिकेशन हमको करना ही क्यों चाहिए, है ना। तो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इसके लिए करते हैं हम लोग कि देखो, व्हेनेवर वी इन्वेस्ट वी आर taking little risk, correct? Markets or anything, mutual fund, everything, it is subject to risk. And that is why all disclaimer statements are there. So there are two types of risk. One is the risk which is which is, identifiable, or one which you can know while investing. And one is the risk which we do not know, something which is unimaginable. Now these are, for example, we never knew what will happen US-India, trade policy. Now people are finding we never knew COVID. All of a sudden COVID happened. And all of a sudden flood, famine, earthquakes happen. Some acts of God. So because such things we cannot focus, we cannot plan when we invest. Nobody is aware. Therefore, people need to spread their, risks into different kind of asset class. So typically see world over, what is rule? Whenever there is uncertainties in the world, equities and all, they soften, they go down. But that time gold gets, hardened. So because it is a risk, it is a hedge against the uncertainty. So if I have gold also, little bit of gold and little bit of mutual fund, and whatever happens to the world, when the world becomes uncertain, gold will increase in value. At least I can get the value. When things are difficult, I want to realize some money. If I have put in mutual fund may be temporarily down at that time. And then I will get less value. But I have mutual fund as well as gold. This is the exact reason why we should diversify, because there are so many risks which we can, know at the time investing, and some we don't know. So we have to hedge and protect ourselves against.
Right.
That is the main reason.
लेकिन कितना इन्वेस्ट करना है इक्विटी में, डेट में, गोल्ड में, ये इतना ट्रिकी क्यों होता है?
I will tell you. बहुत simple है. See, it is very subjective and it is difficult, as you rightly said. Why it is difficult and thing? Because everybody has different mindset. Correct? Some people are aggressive, some people are very conservative. So that is why we have to understand the mindset of the person first, his family background, his other assets that he has already created, what type of social security assets that we have, and then we have to advise. Otherwise, plain without knowing the full background, if we tell something which is against his innate nature, it will be difficult. But as a general rule, which is very something called based on the client to client, you customize. But there is something called general rule, correct? In general, we say high risk, high return. It's a general rule. The more you stay in invested, the better is your chances of earning return. Like that, the general rule we say is your age, 100 minus your age. Most financial investor or advisor world over use this benchmark. So we use this general benchmark, that is 100 minus your age, for risky assets or the assets which are subjected to volatility. And then we look at the situation, background, his mindset, and other things that he has around him, and then we do plus minus. So that is why plain vanilla, if you want number, it is so difficult, and that is why people find it difficult how to do equity, because there is no mathematics. It is art. It is art which with formula will give you some advice, and then you have to tailor make it.
राइट एक मिथ हम आपके साथ क्लैरिफाई करना चाहेंगे. डज होल्डिंग मोर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑटोमेटिकली मेक योर पोर्टफोलियो वेल डाइवर्सिफाइड?
So that's misunderstood that if I diversify too much or I will do diversification, I will do the better returns. But it is not. You have to still apply your intelligence, correct? Now, if I say I have to diversify, therefore I will do 5 different mutual fund. Now, if I do 5 different mutual fund, but the investment in that particular fund will have same features. Let's say it is a small cap. Everywhere we ended up having small cap by and large. Then you are actually, even though you may feel I have diversified, or you invest in equities, or you invest in mutual fund, that way also you are diversified. But the basic nature of the underlying asset, correct, is same, then you are still not diversifying. So if I do, it is not that just I did equity and I did debt, so mutual fund, therefore I am diversified in equity, and I am ultimately both mutual fund also will invest in equity. And they both, if I am investing personally in small cap, and my mutual fund also is doing in small cap, and then I have 5 different mutual fund, they are all in small cap. So then, correct, you will still be having risk. And second thing is, by itself, without monitoring, without checking the performance, without doing other, that who is the fund manager, what is his past track record, what is the fund, what is the past track record, and all that little bit of homework, if you do, then diversification will happen. So as a rule, diversification must be done. It is very important. But just by diversifying and taking it shallow, narrow understanding, and just dividing in 5 different mutual fund or anything which have same type of investment will not make sense. So you will have to do different class. Large cap may be different, small cap is different, industry specific fund will do different, some blended fund will do different, multi-asset class will do different. So the nature of the underlying asset must be different. Then diversification makes sense. So we have to go that far, that I have diversified because the nature of the underlying asset is very, very different.
तो ऐसा क्यों होता है that many investors end up with portfolios जो उनकी goals से aligned नहीं है?
तो इंडिया में particularly ऐसे होता है. I have been in this business is 35 years plus. I have found that people are very sentimental and they invest based on relations, correct, without doing lot research. You have to do research, like if you are fall sick, you want to go to doctor, you will take 5 different opinions, go and meet 5 doctors, ask your relatives, and then try to get information, and then submit yourself to that doctor. For example, any surgery you want to do. Here in investments, they say, oh, my relative is there, so he came to me and he told me this is the good product, now this product will be closed, and I had to oblige, so I did investment. So people make 2 mistakes. One is that they just invest on trust and some obligation, correct? So because of this, they actually end up investing in wrong type of idea. So what we suggest them, or that please, when you do selection of any product or any investment, you should check the advisor, his credential. For example, if I have to invest, I will check since how long that advisor is in business. Second, what is his qualification, correct? So I have to check whether he really is having knowledge of investment and he's sufficiently in this business since long. Third is, everybody before investing should do 2 things. One is, you must check the references. Means you can ask your advisor when you do first time that who are the people whom you have advice with, and we have to check 2 things. One is about the intelligence that he is putting, quality, the investment, whether it's outperforming or underperforming or what over long term. And second thing is, we have to check the service after sales, correct? In Indian context, people invest and forget, correct? But people just take it as it is and they invest in mutual fund, and for 20 years you will never see what happened to that. Now that is risky, because 20 years back Indian economy was different, whole sector was different, so much thing. Then the trend changes, so you have to monitor. Or one more thing I wanted to, that why the question was why they are misaligned or some, because correct, so certain investment with different life goals, you have different type of investment. If I have my daughter's marriage in 1 year's time, let's say, one may take sometimes 2, depending on, correct, So between 1 to 2 years, I need some money. It's a different, that it's a short period, 1 to 2 years, and I need money. So people need to be educated. Something for my child's education, let's say after 5 years, something for my retirement after 10 years. So first, long-term goals should be aligned with long-term investment. Short-term goals should be aligned with short-term investment. So like that, first people need to be taught that what are your objective, correct? He may have three objective. A objective is son's education abroad, which will happen for sure within 1 year or 15 months. Daughter's marriage, which can happen in 2 or 4 years, depending on when they find the right. Then he want to do retirement. And then for, let's say, contingency, if somebody is unwell in the family, so that is immediate, for which you can't wait. So once you know exactly what is the purpose, whether it is extremely short term, medium term, long term, accordingly you have to map. You cannot map high risk product to a immediate urgent need. I have kept some buffer for my health, family health, or such objectives. So this is the way people need to be taught that long term and short term goal, short term and long term life goals need to be understood, and accordingly investment need to be fixed. And while investment you fix, you must know who is the advisor, past track record, and regular review. These are the things that we need to do.
तो अगर आई वांट टू सर्कल बैक टू डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, तो ये जो प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइवर्सिफिकेशन है, इसे सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए मल्टी एसेट फंड्स कैसे काम आ सकते हैं, या फिर व्हाट रोल कैन दे प्ले?
See, there are two ways. I can do all the asset class purchase myself. Now, it's good that if some fund is there which can blend both of these. Multi-assets takes into account equity, certain portion equity, certain debt, certain commodities, and all different kinds of assets, so that you are not taking too much of risk in any assets. And that helps you to protect, your downside. So therefore, diversification, into multi-asset class fund for the people who don't want to take stress is the good idea. And all must, those who are not a finance professional, not day out into investments, should consider some multi-asset class funds, which will take care of all the different kind of investments.
Well, thank you so much, Manishi, for talking to us and in such great detail about why diversification is important and how we should approach it correctly. Thank you once again for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
As Mr. Manish Dedia shared, real diversification is about combining asset classes that behave differently, not just accumulating more investments. Equity, debt, and gold each carry their own role in a portfolio, and understanding that mix is key to building something that lasts through different market phases. That's where the Grow Multi-Asset Allocation Fund comes in. It seeks to invest across equity, debt, and commodities like gold and silver, all in one portfolio. The fund aims to offer a structured, simplified approach to diversification, so investors don't need to manage every market move themselves. The NFO is open from 10th to 24th September 2025. Please consult your financial advisor before investing and read all scheme-related documents carefully. Because when diversification is done with intent, it becomes a guide, not a guess.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिम के अधीन है। योजना संबंधी सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें। म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क्स. Read all scheme related documents carefully.